Good afternoon. It's great to be around today. Today is a special day. This is the beginning of Black History Month. I'm Dr. Miriam Smith, the host for Empowering New Nurses. I have something to say, especially for my nurses, healthcare personnel, but for my nurses. Today, just a little backdrop. I have been a nurse for more than 4 decades. I've seen the changes, and I have so much to offer. And I've learned a lot too, and to share. And so I've decided that my focus will be on my young nurses, paying it forward. Yes. And so today, I just want to highlight something on Black history. Nurses. I want to say thanks to all those who have contributed in delivery of high quality care to patients. I know if we should reflect, if we just look back and see how blessed we are, because we meet people at their most vulnerable status, the phase in life, and we help. And so today I've taken time out to acknowledge you and to say we appreciate you. And those of you who participated or administered care during the COVID crisis, during that time, I want to give you a special salute. And those who worked 9/11, and many have sacrificed their lives during these times. So, a special tribute to you, honoring the past, empowering the present, and leading the future. Black History. Black History Month is not simply a moment of remembrance. It is a mandate to lead. As new nurses, you stand on the shoulders of resilient healers who cared for others, who cared even when no recognition was made, when no return, you just cared, who led without titles, and who served with faith and excellence. Their legacy lives on. Every time you show up for your patients with compassion, skill, and courage, their legacy lives on. I want to welcome you again to the New Nurses, the Empowering New Nurses platform. As we begin Black History Month, just remember 2026, we honor a legacy that shaped healthcare long before it was celebrated. Black nurses have always been caregivers, advocates, and leaders, often unseen yet essential. Their strength was rooted in faith, perseverance, and unwavering commitment to excellence. To every new nurse out there who are watching, I know you're going to share this with some other nurses. So you are not just entering nursing. To every new nurse watching right now, you are not just entering a profession. You are continuing a story. Indeed, it is. A story of resilience. A story of resilience in scrubs, in leadership, at the bedside as you take care of your patients, and hope for the hardest moments. Because as we know, Nursing has some beautiful moments, but yet some challenging ones. So be prepared. Gear up yourself for that. Every day is not the same. This month, we honor the past, we empower the present, and prepare you for and to lead the future. Because Black history is still being written today through you and you and you. Hi, hi. So, I want you to remember, as we honor the past, as we empower the present, and we lead the future. I salute you again for the contributions you have been given to the most vulnerable, the time when their voices are not being heard, the time when they're just looking and expecting you to help them make the decisions. I'm saluting you for taking time out for our patients. And I want you to know that there were many Black nurses who weren't recognized, but they continued giving care to humanity. And let me hope that you too, in spite of not being recognized sometimes, continue caring for humanity. Thank you for listening. I'm Dr. Miriam Smith, the host for Empowering You Nurses. Yes. And my book out, one, the first one is Nurse, the Guide to Empowering You Nurses in the Delivery of High Quality Care to All Patients. I know for sure you will embrace some of the nuggets, some of the gems that I have placed in there. The nuggets, the gems, the pearls that helped me along my more than 4 decades of nursing that I want to share with you. You can pick up your copy on Amazon. It's entitled Nurse, the Guide to Empowering New Nurses in the Delivery of High Quality Care to All Patients. You'll see my story and others. You'll see some of my strength. And of course, I identify some of the fears that new nurses encounter. But at the end of it all, I know at the end of it all, you will be rewarded. And when you offer that compassionate care to every patient, they will be satisfied and you also will be satisfied in the delivery of the care and the feedback that you will get. So, I'm about to leave you right now, but you can connect with me where? On YouTube. You can share, you can subscribe. So on YouTube, you can find Miriam Amanda Smith and you subscribe. On Instagram is Podcast Mir. I definitely will be following up for this month. Yes, for this month, different nurses who have contributed, not just Mary C. Cole, not just Florence Nightingale, but some of our most recent nurses who have sacrificed. And don't forget, there are many nurses who passed during the COVID time, and they sacrificed. Some of them, their lives were given up because they exposed and they succumbed. So I just want to say thanks again. And as we celebrate Black History Month, just remember the legacy of being a provider, a compassionate provider through the years. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Look forward to seeing you. Be blessed.